Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, Blue Marble Riders. I'm off to go get some oysters in Fanny Bay. Yeah, you heard it right, Fanny Bay. It's a little more polite in North America, but a fanny means something distinctly different in England. We won't go there though. Fanny Bay oysters, that's not a good combo, is it? Why? Well, because we're going to cook them on an open fire tonight with some good friends and acquaintances and family coming around tonight. Now we've got the post-you-know-what era. I'm not even going to mention it. God, thank God that's over, or is it? I don't know. We'll pretend it is. In my little world it's over, and in your little world I hope it's over too. As you can probably see, I'm testing out a new bit of kit, and I won't talk too much about it except to say it's blocking the view of this one, but this is what I record on, so you're going to have to kind of put up with it. But we'll see how this goes. Little first day here. One finger up, what was that? I'm out of practice. 2 fingers down. Come on, Blue Marble Rider, 2 fingers down. You can do it. And bikes, well, what have I done? What have I done to my bikes? Well, I did tell you earlier on that or maybe you didn't hear it, but earlier on I've been riding, commuting every day in the rain. And why haven't I been vlogging? Well, just too busy, really. It's a lot to strap these 3 things on and strap that on and get all the arms down, you know. I guess I should just cruise here. So, yeah, I get them all synced and coordinated. So, I haven't been. But I wish I had been on one particular day, because I was riding into work, what was it, 7 o'clock, 7:15 in the morning, and it was back, yeah, probably two months or so, 6 weeks at least, and it was, you know, one of those days where the sun's right up and it's right in your eyes, and I'll give the guy the benefit of the doubt. Anyway, I'm on a 2-lane highway that blends into 3 lanes all going in my direction south, and he blends on from a side road. He's in a black truck. You knew that was going to happen, didn't you? Yeah, it was going to be a car. And he blends on in a black truck, blacked out windows, and I can hear the tunes through my helmet and earplugs. I can hear them going, and I see as he's blending on, he's got his beanie down over his ears as well, and this is all going somewhere. I'm not being deliberately judgmental here. I'm just trying to build a picture. And he blends on the slow lane, and he makes one of those really aggressive moves to go into the medium lane, the middle lane, and I'm in the fast lane, and I'm cruising up just slightly faster than he's going, following the speed limit officer. And you know what it is, you've got that sixth sense. This guy's demonstrated some interesting maneuvers, let's put it that way, and you've got him on your radar. And sure enough, as I get close to him, I end up watching him flick his wheel and whack, he's just literally just in front of me. I've just given him, oh sorry little buddy, I've just given him a little bit of a wide berth, and I had to go on the side. Luckily there was about 3 feet before the concrete median, and I got on the side there, and it was great. So I got over to the concrete median. Of course I had my horn going full tilt, and he either just thought that was enough room for him to make the maneuver and heard me and ignored it, or he just didn't hear me. But it was a stock V-strum horn, and it's fairly high-pitched, one of those weedy little high-pitched horns, and yeah, I didn't seem to get his attention. So anyway, I slowed down and filtered in behind him, not angry, just more shocked that he either took the risk or just didn't see me. And anyway, we come to a traffic light, because that's the way highways are in Canada. We do not have clover leaves on Vancouver Island, they're just all traffic lights. So we come to a traffic light, he stops, and I cruise up right by his window and knock on the window, just do a shrug like, didn't you see me? He's got his stereo going, and I suddenly see, at this point I realize he didn't see me, because his eyes are huge, and I don't know, I'm not angry, I'm just like, what the heck? Didn't you see me? Come on guys, shoulder check before you cross into the road. And you know, I just shrugged, because I knew half of it was my fault, and it's something I haven't done and I should have done. So what I did was got in contact with a friend, actually an acquaintance, let's put it that way. I like to think of him as a friend now, a subscriber to this channel, ridden a couple of times. Yeah, Lyle. And Lyle has some honking horns on his bike, let's put it that way. And I remembered him telling me about them, and I decided, you know, it's time I upgraded the horns on both of my road bikes at least. So that's what I did, and I went out for the V-strum. I got some fairly hefty horns, highway blasters they're called, big trumpets on them, and they can fit underneath the beacon. You can't see them, you can barely see them, and although they're not the prettiest things in the world, the V-Strom isn't either, I guess, in some people's books, so it doesn't really matter, and they're mostly hidden anyway. But by God, 133 decibels, it is incredible. But I didn't want to put them on Sweet Sabrina here, so what I did for Sabrina was order some Hellas, and they are loud motorcycle dual tone horns. So there are two horns, both sets of these, the Highway Blasters and the Hellas are a pair. If you lightly, that was a very nice, was that a Rocket? That was a Rocket 3, very nice, haven't seen one of those in a while. Silicone River, I think. Still going strong because we've had so much rain. Usually dries up about this time of year. Exploring the wonders of the tidal life. Ooh, little doggies giving it a go over the rocks for me. Good boy. And there's the fuzz. Something told me not to go. Really, something told me not to go. Oh, awesome. Oh, a Katana. Very nice. Not a Katana, Hayabusa. Very nice. We're going to get a hurry up. This place closes in 25 minutes. Let's get some oysters. Oh, we better slow down. Look at that. Oh my goodness me. We better slow down here. Ooh, they are out today. That's the third one I've seen on this. Oh my God, another one. 4 in a row. Being so good. Oh, Cops, he's tapping his head, Cops. More of them, saw that, eh? I'm just going to go nice and slow. Good boy. Oysters. Oh, maybe it always was Max Oysters. I just call it Fanny Bay. No one behind me. Sold out. You're kidding me. Sorry. No oysters in the shell at this time. What we'll do is just see if they are selling any oysters at all. Guess I can turn that off. Well, bad news, friends. No oysters at all. So this is Max Oysters. I'm going to go back down to Fanny Bay Oysters, which I originally thought this was. Nothing here. No luck at all. This place is shut. It doesn't look like they actually have an outlet for people. It looks like they just sell commercially. Concentrate on the clutch work though, restart. Right, well, bearing in mind we've got cops everywhere. much, but they got lots of seafood there. Right, that's where I live. Off I go. No boats, we have to take the roads.
Once again, thanks for watching, everyone. If this is the first time you've watched, please consider subscribing. I do motorcycle reviews, motorcycle-related product reviews, off-road and on-road vlogs, as well as tours. Even though I'm not the most diligent poster, don't forget to follow me on social media. That's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And to like, and especially, I'm begging you here folks, subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified whenever I release a video. This is the BlueMarbleRider, out.